Sentence structure number 6. But this doesn't mean that.
Examples.
1. We are your employees, but this doesn't mean that we must obey you unconditionally.
2. You are much older than I am, but it doesn't mean that you are right about everything.
3. I support this measure, but it doesn't mean that I support you without reservation.
4. I like you, but this doesn't mean that I'll marry you.
Dialogue. Dear, we have been driving around aimlessly for hours. Don't you think we should ask for directions?
Look, honey, maybe we've been driving for a long time, but this doesn't mean that we're lost.
Really? Then what have we been doing all this time?
Well, we're taking the scenic route.
Oh, I see. You just don't want to admit that we're lost. You know, sometimes you're too proud.
Okay, we're lost. But this doesn't mean that you have to rub it in.